John Mattone said this very well. He said prescription without diagnosis is malpractice. So if you went to a doctor and he did not do any diagnosis of yours and he gave you a medicine, would you believe it was a malpractice? It would be. If this is true, then the same applies to leadership development strategies also. Leaders need to go through a 360-degree assessment from an external agency and not from the HR. And the results of this should be shared in confidentiality with the leader. I found a lot of HR doing 360-degree assessment of their leaders with the results coming to them. So virtually what happens is the team members of the leaders mark themselves more positive than what these leaders are, because they don't want the leaders to later ask them that why did they mark them low. True diagnosis can only be done by an external agency like us, and the assessment that we get should only be shared with the leader and the coach. And we should enable the leader the autonomy to choose the areas that he must or he wants to grow in, and he wants to go through a journey of improvement. Now, in the way that we do it with leaders, after the 360 degree is done and the leader has decided on the areas that he wants to grow in, we then go through a 1-year duration journey with him on a coaching methodology so that we support these leaders in growing. And I've seen this happening every single time, that in spite of a few of these leaders initially not wanting to believe that they had anything to grow in, once they realized that there was a need, they jumped into it and they did a wonderful job in it.